Oh, hi, hello! Oh, wait, I forgot to remove this. Just to let you know, we'll be cooking chicken adobo. Come and watch us cook. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is gonna show you the ingredients. And the special guest that'll be joining us to be cooking today is... The first step to cooking chicken adobo is that you gotta cut up the chicken. Grab like about 5 cloves of garlic and then you chop it up. So always remember, you gotta cook the chicken first after you're done with the garlic. And next, we put in the soy sauce. And don't forget the vinegar. So you gotta put the soy sauce and the vinegar. And the next thing that you put in is the bay leaves, about a handful. And then you pour in you grind some of that black pepper right into the pot. And all that's left is that you just have to simmer it. So always remember, while you're cooking, have a sip of coffee. While everything's all in there, in the pot, be sure to put in a little bit of sugar to enhance the flavor. So basically we have to simmer it for 15 minutes, but always check if the chicken still has blood in it, because you don't want that bloody part when you're eating it.
The boss.
Smells good.
Manager.
We're cooking chicken adobo.
Sapat.
Pwede na ito.
Tingnan mo.
Adobo. And voila, it's finished.
Okay lang.
Wala sa coke.
Can I try it?
The first step to cutting chicken,
2, 3, go.
and the guest cook that'll be joining me for today is Alan.